Hey babes, it's Nina and I am back with a $9 lace front wig from Facebook on my head. Yes, girl. If you want to see how I style her, keep watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, show love, subscribe, all of that.
So yesterday, just to get you a little rundown of everything, me and my fiance went to my mom's house to handle some business. My mom got a $9 lace front wig from Facebook. I didn't even know Facebook had wigs, but I mean, anyway, so just, you know, I said, yeah, I'll take it. I used to always wear wigs, and the wig itself is cute. Girl, the wig is from Hair Nahaj.
What?
This is what it looks like. It came with a wig cap also. The wig cap is like one of these like lacy wig cap type moments or whatever. I also have a regular wig cap because I got a big old juicy head and she's not gonna be enough. Miss Facebook lace front is a curly, cute unit moment. The issue is that it's not a lace front. Like, where's the lace? I mean, it's a good wig. It seems like it's pretty sturdy. And I did say sturdy because, you know, some wigs just be like on your head, especially the synthetic ones. This is synthetic also. The part has a little lace moment here, I guess. I'm gonna finesse it. I'm gonna braid this up off camera because I'm not gonna make this be longer than what it needs to be. I'm back 12 years later and I am back, head looking like a nice potato head. I'm gonna give y'all a quick shot of the back. And as far as the front part of my hair, I'm leaving this out. This is gonna be somewhat of a leave out right here. Girl, what did you get yourself into? What did you? I don't know what I got myself into, girl, but got the wiggy on my head, so I'm just gonna make sure everything is on right. This wig is a little snug. Like I said, I have a really big head, so us big head sisters, you know, we gotta rock with each other because these wigs be snug, especially when they be cheap like this. But it's okay, because cheap can still look good, don't forget that. All right, so any hoosers, I'm gonna pull this back. I'm just gonna pull the hair back on this side as well. Last week, I had to take a break. Like, I don't know if you guys have ever been so overwhelmed at your jobs or just like felt like everything was just like, so definitely did not want to be that girl to just be stuck doing something that she does not want to do. So, you know, with that being said, I just had to take a break. I just had to take a second, get my mind right, refocus, create, all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna wet this part. This is my little spray bottle, and then I'm gonna apply some gel. Then I'm gonna cut and, you know, fluff up this hair bit, all that cute stuff. So I'll be right back. That's what you don't want to do because that wasn't cute. Okay. Learning from our mistake. Lace front. Tip: if you have a part on a synthetic wig, put the wig on straight, and then I just shifted it. I'm not gonna shift it now because the combs are in, girl. When the combs are in, you know what time it is. But I just shifted it to this side to make like a side little part. With the synthetic wig, I'm picking in to the root, just to kind of hide that, you know, that extra whatever moment they had in the middle that we don't need anyone to clap us for. So yeah. Do not trim your real hair with scissors like this. Alright y'all, so y'all just saw me style wig that we got from Facebook, my mom got from Facebook. So if you like content like this, or if you want to see what else I can do with something that's less than $9, get into this little $9 wig or whatever. It's $9 lace front. Wait.